this is the crane where I have to work. You can see the working has been stopped because it's 4 o'clock in the evening now. So
relay box. This is the first terminal and this is the second terminal.
So this is Wagon Repair Shop 3, as you can see. So we will see one by one all the sections of here. You can see this is the road which is going towards the wagon repair. All the different parts and are being manufactured here. So this is the crane where I have to work, and this is Jamalpur Loco workshop, in which I am here in crane workshop actually. You can see the working has been stopped because it's 4 o'clock in the evening now. cabin of the crane where the driver sits actually. This is the meter, panel meter. You can see it is being supplied by power control something enterprises, and these are the different things given here, different switches, meters and all. And these are the two handles using which he used to control the sieving
or jib. Actually, it is called a jib. Two fans are given here. This is a diagram given here. This is the control panel, or all the fuse and MCBs are present in this. This is the crane in which I am working first crane I mean. This is the workshop of this crane manufacturing place. This is the battery section where I am working. I need to find out where is the wires are going. You can see here pressure panels, pressure tubes are there, valves are there, and these are all the wires going inside to the crane section, I mean to the cabin where the driver will sit. Okay, let's see. This is the crane where we have placed the ultra capacitor. This is the close view. So this is the battery box. You can see this is the battery box in which we have placed our MS box here, ultra capacitor. This is the battery, and this is the relay box. Here the problem is there are only two terminals here. This is the first terminal and this is the second terminal. This is negative, which is connected to the body of the crane. Whole body is negative, and this is the positive terminal which is only coming to the battery previously, and this is one more terminal which is going to the auxiliary engine. So the problem here is this positive terminal is connected to all the loads like lamp, panel, meters, etc., as well as this is going to the self starter motor of the engine. So now the problem for us is we will not be able to connect this positive to the starter plus of our ultra capacitor, as well as this to the positive of the battery. If we are going to connect that positive to this starter plus, what will happen? This starter plus will start supplying to all the loads as well as to the starter motor, I mean self of the engine. So it will start draining very fast and continuously get charged from the battery. So it will reduce the life of the ultra capacitor.
We are going out from the crane shop. You can see there are different section has been made here. All the spare parts of a crane are been placed. Different cranes are being manufactured here of different tons, actually different loads, which is called as. And here we have to go. This is the way to go out. This is a shop. You can see here superstructure 6th new manufacturing crane.